Okay na? The echoes of history. The small town of Eldridge, nestled between rolling hills and dense forest. An old library stood as a silent witness to the passage of time. Its creaky wooden floors and dusty shelves held the whispers of countless stories. Among its patrons was a curious college student named Sarah, who often sought refuge in the library's quiet corners. One rainy afternoon, as she rummaged through the archives, she stumbled upon a forgotten diary belonging to a woman named Margaret, who had lived during the early 20th century. Intrigued, Sarah decided to delve into Margaret's world, eager to uncover the secrets hidden within the pages. As Sarah read, she became captivated by Margaret's struggles and triumphs. The diary chronicled Margaret's fight for women's rights, her dreams of becoming a writer, and the societal obstacles she faced. Each entry was a testament to resilience filled with passion and hope. Inspired by Margaret's journey, Sarah felt a stirring in her own ambitions. However, as she prepared to present her findings for a class project, she struggled with the pronunciation of some historical names and events that she wanted to convey accurately. Despite this, she realized that understanding the essence of Margaret's story was more important than perfect articulation. In the moment, Sarah recognized that the true power of storytelling lay not just in the words spoken but in the connection forged through shared experiences.